Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the singleton AM equation for the different modulation index, and we are going to generate this waveform using a platform called GeoGebra. So first we have to see what is AM modulation. So the amplitude of the carrier signal is varies in accordance with the amplitude of the modulating signal. So this modulating signal is also known as message signal. So this is known as the AM modulation. So this is the message signal and which contain information, and this is the carrier signal of high frequency, but it contain no information. So the amplitude of the carrier signal containing no information is varies as per the amplitude of the message signal. So the imaginary line on the carrier wave is called envelope. So this is the envelope. So this gives a clear shape of a modulated AM modulated wave. So and it is the same as that of the message signal. So here we can see the formula of AM modulation signal. So the M of t is equal to AM cos omega mt, which is a message signal equation. So where M of t is a message signal, AM is a peak amplitude, and omega m is an angular frequency. Here, the C of t is equal to AC cos omega ct is a equation of carrier signal. So where C of t is a carrier signal, AC is a peak amplitude, and omega c is a angular frequency. So this is the equation for the overall modulated signal. So which is denoted as S of t. So S of t is equal to A cos omega ct into 1 plus MA into cos omega mt. So this omega is also can be written as 2 pi f, and this MA is also can be written as mu, which is nothing but the modulation index. So it is a ratio of AM divided by AC, which is amplitude of the message signal to the amplitude of the carrier signal. So now we are going to see what is a modulation index. So it is defined as the measure or the extent of amplitude variation about an unmodulated carrier. So it is also can be described as the amount by which the modulated carrier envelope is varies about the statistic level. So here we can observe for the different modulation index, the shape of the envelope is also varies. So the modulation index is helps to find this. And this is the waveform when the modulation index is 50%. So when we multiply into 100, we get the percentage modulation. So 50% of modulation, and this is the waveform for the 100% of modulation, and this is the waveform for 150% of modulation. So in the next slide, we can see about it. So this is a waveform for the different modulation index value. So first, when the modulation index is 0.5. So for the perfect modulation, the modulation index should be 100. But if it is less than 1, in the sense the waveform will be look like this, it is called as the under modulation. So it is called under modulation. Here we can observe the signal wave does not falls to 0. So it does not reach the 0 level. So next is when the modulation index is equal to 1, it is also known as the critical modulation. So it is widely using modulation form. Here we can see the signal wave is reaches to the 0 level, and it is again rise to twice the amplitude of the message signal. So here the voltage is also rise twice. So the power is increased to 4 times. So the third type is when the modulation index is 1.5, it is greater than 5. So it is also known as over modulation. So here the waveform is look like this. When the modulation index is greater than 1, the carrier experience the 180-degree phase reversal. So there will be one extra sideband. So this extra sideband makes the wave to get distorted and also cause the interference. So there's the 3 types of waves according to the modulation index. So there's the AM equation. So the general equation is S of t is equal to AC into 1 plus mu of cos 2 pi FMT into cos 2 pi FCT. So if we substitute the different mu value, we can get the waveform according to that. And now we are going to generate this each waveform into in the GeoGebra platform, and we can observe our results. So this is our GeoGebra platform where we can practically see our AM equation. In this input, we have to type our equation. So f of x is equal to f of x is equal to 2 into 1 plus 0.2 into cos of pi x into cos of 100x. So after after finishing this equation itself, we can observe our waveform here. So this is our one of the AM equation, and there is some other options also. We can go to settings and we can change the color of our waveform like this, and we also can change our style or the font size like that. Here I type all our AM equation for the different modulation index. First, we are going to see the AM equation when the modulation index is 0.2. So it is a under-modulated signal. Here we can observe this. So when it is an under-modulated signal, the carrier envelope won't fall to the 0 level. So next, the AM modulated signal when the modulation index is 0.5. So this is also an under-modulated signal. So we can see a slight variation for the 0.2 and 0.5 of modulation level. So next, we are going to see the waveform when the modulation index is 1, which is called the critical modulation. And here this envelope is fall to 0 and rise to twice to the normal message signal, because we take AC, that is a carrier amplitude, as 2, but we can observe here it is rise to 4, that is twice the level it fall, rise, and it is falls to 0. So it is our critical modulated signal, and it is 100% of modulation. Then the AM signal when the modulation index is 1.5, so which is a over modulation, and here we can observe this extra sideband, so which causes distortion and interference. So this is our over modulated wave. So here it is quite hard to observe the waveforms inside this, because we have seen, for example, if the carrier wave in the sense, we seen like this, right? So that small waves and all is here difficult to observe, because we set our frequency is to 1000. So it is quite hard to observe here. For that, I have reduced our frequency level from 1000 to 100, so that we can observe this small waveforms also. So here we can zoom. There's also the same waveform only. But we can observe the small waveforms here. Okay, so if these waveforms are congested only, we got that envelope shape. So inside that, there is many small waves like this. So there is an under-modulated signal. So these are critical modulated signal. Here also we can observe that waveform. So here we can clearly observe that the small waveforms also. If we zoom out that, we can observe the envelope shape. Here we can observe that envelope shape. So finally our over modulation signal. So here also we can observe that main wave and also the sideband. We saw that extra sideband, right? So this is that extra sideband. Now finally we have observed all this equation practically in the software called the GeoGebra. And we have observed the shape as well as the inside waveform. Thank you for watching.